We are here at Day Dance in Paris, Texas, and we are stocking up on supplies for our splits of this March. And thank you for watching. Bye. Oh my gosh, my veil isn't zipped up. Hey, Dad, what do I do with these super frames?
Okay, give this at me.
Okay, we just made 3 splits out of the spicy hive. It's this hive, and this hive. And we're about to crack into the hive right next to spicy hive, and let's see how it goes. And that is it for so far. Bye. Okay, so we are here at the bee yard with our bees, and we made 7 splits out of these 2 hives right here. And we moved the hive that was right there where that yellow box is. And we made it into, and we changed it to where this yellow hive is. And they are swarming with bees. And we moved its sister right here. She's our smallest and weakest queen at the moment. She's very tiny. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Okay, we are going to CNC to pick up our 2 nukes to add to our apiary. And we will notify you later once we pick them up. Bye. We are here at CNC Farms, and we just picked up our nukes, and we're going to do a nighttime operation at the bee house to install our 2 nukes. Thank you for watching. Bye. Smoke.
Installing one of our 2 nukes from CNC Farms.
I'm going to lift the frame and you grab it, okay? Okay, can you grab it?
Yeah, but I'm not sure if I can.
Got it. Go ahead. Come on. Come on. I need you to grab the other side too.
Okay, got it.
Easy. Easy out. Okay, go drop it in. Put it right in the middle. Very good. Got a little smoke on it. Got it in play?
Yep. My finger's stuck.
Okay, hold on. I'm coming to you. I'm trying to.
Rachel?
You don't need it. That's all you're going to get loose. If you'll just grab it here, set it in. You have to set it in the box. Just drop it there and you go. Good job. There's plenty of space. You can slide them together once they're in.